Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying something new, that is digital art. And in this digital art, I will take the reference of the drawing that I recently made. I am making this digital art on my tab using fingers, not a stylus pen. For this I am taking a blue background because my dragon is blue in color. I made this dragon blue because it's a water dragon. Here I am making a rough sketch of the dragon just like how I do on the paper. Giving more detailings to the body like making the hands and making some scales at the back of the dragon's body. It's time to color. One thing I like about digital art is that I can get any color I wanted. But whereas in traditional art, I had to mix and match all colors to get the color that I wanted. And it is a little time consuming. And while I'm making my own colors, I had to get the right ratio of colors to get the color I need. But in digital art, I am free to take any color that I want. I used a dark shade of blue for the scales and other details and light shade of blue for the body. In the beginning, I thought it would be hard, but as I moved on, it became easier to make. I thought it would be hard because I was using finger, but it's pretty easy. And while I was coloring, I thought of a wish that I could color anything just using my fingertips. Isn't it funny? Here I am giving outlining to my drawing using a blackish blue color. I am giving outline to the face like the eyes, mouth and other details. Giving some highlights using white. Giving outlines to the body, etc. The yellow color is for the underside of the dragon's body. Giving more scaly details to the body, and did you notice I changed the background color to yellow. I'm making more details like little bubbles, as you know it's a water dragon. Coloring the bubbles, I'm giving them some highlights. Now I'm giving some shadows to the dragon's body. I wasn't quite happy with the background, so I tried to change the color and disco! Finally, I choose a light color of yellow for the background. I also gave my sign. So this was my digital art. I hope you like it. If you like this drawing, please give a like. And if you want to watch more of my digital art, then subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.